the manual, a remote, AAA batteries included, 3 light sticks that joins together to form a pole. Inside each end is a 3.5mm plug with 4 conductors. The other side is the mating end. Unfortunately, you can't really service it. If anything breaks inside, you can't twist it open easily. It's all glued shut. The end connects to it at the top and it has a little light power adapter. It uses 18 watts. The base is this big piece of metal and it weighs 1 pound, 2.5 ounces. Because these bars are so light, that's why this doesn't need to be too heavy. If you count the grooves, there are 20 of them. This allows you to twist the light in 20 different steps all the way around. 18 degrees for every click you turn. Let's double check the wattage. Plug it in. And it's doing about 7 watts by default. Rainbow colors. Each of these bars are adjustable 360 degrees, including the top light. Ba 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 ba. Ho ho. The remote will allow you to turn it all white. You got the cool mode, a rolling mode, a flow mode, a chase mode. There's a 1 hour or 2 hour timer. This is the lowest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the brightest. So click one more. It goes down to the dimmest. There are a lot of music modes. The first music button, you can set it like this. Hello, ha, ha, ha. Click it again. Hello, hello. So it kind of goes back in. Hello, hello. So this is the whole bar and it lights up and down. So different ways of lighting it, and you can pick the one that you like the best. The most energy I can use out of this thing is on this white mode, which is probably what you want to set at most of the time. You don't want it to be all colorful every single day. And this is using about 11 watts out of the 18 that this power adapter can do. Now maybe you don't want it so tall, so bam, bam, bam. Let's do it like that. You can have a shorter lamp like this, or or maybe you can even turn it into like a makeshift lightsaber, simply connected to a battery. I like how it's so reconfigurable. You can put as many lights on it as you want or as little as you want. And even the bottom twists off, so you can just connect it like this. And this connector is compatible with most of those 12-volt DC plugs. I have this one that's from my power bank and it plugs right in just fine. Now this light is not the most powerful, it's just like a mood lighting type of thing. And I can try to measure the lumen output of this top light. Here we got 1300 lux over a 1 square foot area. Towards the edge is more like 300 lux. And so it's just like a little spotlight, and I calculated about 60 lumen output. That's about 1/12 of a regular incandescent 60-watt light bulb. Just lighting the top light, it uses just 2 watts. I still have some daylight coming in through a window, so it's not going to be as bright as at night. White mode on, we can turn it on to this colorful mode, and you might want to bounce it off in the corner or turn one around so you can actually see it. When you're doing the music mode, it's most impressive if you face the light towards the viewer. Oh, it's not responding to high frequencies. Total height's about 53 inches. And as a bonus, if you don't want this light on, you just flip it vertical and it'll turn off. It also has an app. Magic Lantern. Open up the app, no login required. Right now it's on green. We can change it to any color, much more easier than on the little remote. On the remote, you can't select a solid color for the entire bar. Turn it off. You also cannot turn off the RGB LEDs just using the remote. So you really should be using the app here. And here you can change it to partially white and color. There's a brightness here, all the way dim. You have to release it before it'll go to maximum brightness. On the remote, you have to count the number of clicks to really know how bright it is. I counted 9 clicks. There are different presets that you can do. Color temperature. You can just kind of dim the white to very dark, or like very, very low light mood lighting. Lots of different kinds of style. YCP strobe. You can explore this on your own. Curtain, water flow, tail, run back scene. Man, they just go on and on with this. And you can also change the speed, very slow speed, very fast speed, or you can use the mic, hello, spectrum, rhythm, energetic, different kind of energetic, different kind of rhythm. And then you can even do a schedule. So all kinds of different things you can do with the app. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this gives you a great rundown of this corner light and showed you all the features that you want to know about. If you guys are interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.